sweetness of the fine joy that the birds make anew. For the season has turned to green, and the hills are covered with flowers, gray and vermilion and green and blue. Of married men it is not fitting for me that they make themselves lovers or sweethearts, for with other men's wives they go learning the tricks of how to guard their own. But he through whom one constrains them carries a counter key to his codpiece. Villainous courtliness leaves its sense, the married lady chaser, and the ass when it brays just the same as the greyhound does with its master. But I do not believe, worthy lady, that she deigns to make a lover of a fierce, jealous husband. Married men behave like cunning deceivers who waste and spend another's bread and put their own in a safe place. But he whom great hunger drives eats the bread that does not make him slaver. The husband who makes his wife suffer must taste of that same flavor, for he sells dear who buys dear. And the jealous one puts guards around her, then leaves his wife to be taken by a scoundrel, son of a scoundrel. From this come the cowards, for no one loves worth or value. How they have lowered youth and turned it into such great error. These hold wealth in their grip, the fools and the natural scoundrels. Saint Mary in the east guide the king and the emperor, and have their deeds done with their people, the service of our Lord, so that the Turks may know the sign that God took for us in mortal flesh. Thus goes the verse ending, and I, who cannot make it longer, for the evil and the torment hold me, that have put me in such great languor, that I am no lover, nor do I feign to be one, nor does any joy